Today we have a 2022 Ford F-250 SuperDuty. Embedded in the front grille of this vehicle, we installed 4 Moss 209s in amber white. The factory lights were flashed. Along the sides and the front fenders, we added Moss 209s. On each side of the truck, above the step bars, we added 2 Moss 209s in amber white. Here in the back, we put in Moss 209s. We then flashed the factory returning lights. In the rear of the cabin are 2 Moss 22s in amber white. The lights are activated by the factory switches inside the truck.
If you're looking to accessorize your vehicle, come to Move It On Sales and Security, and we'll get the accessories your vehicle needs.